I applied Avalon King Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating on my grandfather's vehicle just over a year ago for Father's Day. As I wash the vehicle today, you'll get to see how the coating's held up over that time. I'll also do a quick unboxing, so you'll get to see what it comes with if you should purchase this kit yourself as well. They're having a 4th of July sale on right now at the time of this video. I'm not sure if it'll still be on when you're watching it, but if you wanted to try this product, I'd say now would probably be the best time because you'll get the best deal. I will leave a link in the description below that'll take you right to their website, so you can check that out after the video. Before we get started, here's some important information. I only applied one layer of the coating. This vehicle is a daily driver, and it was garage kept about 25% of the time over the year. It's been driven 12,000 miles or roughly 19,000 kilometers over that time. It's had no toppers whatsoever, no ceramic washes, nothing like that. Only pH neutral soaps have washed this vehicle. And before application, I washed, clayed, and polished the vehicle. If you have any other questions about what this vehicle's gone through over that time, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I did buy the ceramic coating that I applied on this vehicle with my own money. It was not sent to me, and this video is not sponsored in any way. I ended up buying it a few years ago on sale from their website, and at the time I bought 3 bottles, which ended up costing me roughly about $45 to $50 per bottle. So at that price, it's actually a really good deal. They have that weird price structure where the first one's too high, and then it makes you think you're getting an awesome deal if you buy more. But nevertheless, I did buy 3. So now, out of the blue, a few months ago, they did reach out to me on my car detailing channel email, which is contact@cardetailingchannel@gmail.com, and offered to send me a bottle. And I replied to them by saying, I already have purchased this, I have experience with this coating, so you don't really need to do that. They're like, we'll send it out to you anyway. And that was pretty nice of them. They didn't ask for any review or anything in return. They just sent me the stuff to try it out, even though I told them I already had it. So that was pretty cool. I don't think it's affected my opinion in any way. I still have that packaging. I haven't even opened it yet, the one they sent me. And that's the one I'll unbox for you at the end of this video. Now that the pre-rinse is done with DIY Detail Incredible Suds, we're going to use Geon Restart Wash to do the contact wash on this vehicle. If you've used this product before, let us know in the comments how long it lasted and what your experience level is. Also, I noticed on their website that they do have a guarantee of 2 years, I believe, or your money back. So if you've used that guarantee before, also let us know about that as well. So after an entire year, as you're going to be able to see here, the coating is still holding up strong on most parts of the vehicle. Now, the areas of the vehicle that you would expect to fail have, of course, started to diminish. And those areas are the windshield, where the wipers sweep, the wheels, the headlights, some of the front fascia, some of the rear tailgate area, and then, of course, the lower parts of the front doors. Those have all slowed down quite a bit, but you could tell there's still a bit of coating there. And the reason I use Geon Restart Wash is because it has some of that iron remover in there. And I did notice that it did bring back some of the characteristics of this coating, so that was good to see. I'm sure if I clay bar this and use a dedicated iron remover, I may be able to get it slightly more hydrophobic, but that's alright. The whole rest of the vehicle is still super hydrophobic, so that indicates that this coating is still holding up strong. If you can get this coating on sale for roughly about $55 or less per bottle, then it's a very good value and I highly recommend it. The Regular price of the coating is about $100 per bottle US, and at that price it's starting to get really close to other DIY coatings, and those, quite frankly, I think are a bit better than this. And yes, this is the easiest coating there is to apply. It's very hard to mess it up, but honestly, after you get a few coatings under your belt, they all become easy to apply, and the prep work is the same either way, so you may as well get something that is going to last a lot longer. But still, it's a really good DIY coating. Even though it's a super easy coating to apply, after applying it 3 times now over the last 2 years, I'd say the biggest single most important step here is do not let the car get wet for at least 48 hours after applying it. If you don't let this coating cure properly, I can almost guarantee you that it will fail within the first couple of months. Like I mentioned, they did send me one for free as well a few months ago, even though I told them I had used it many times before. And here, I'll do a quick little unboxing here for you, just so you get to see what it comes with. Their packaging is definitely pretty cool. They do take their marketing very seriously, and you can see that here in their packaging. To this date, there's never been any topper or wash and wax applied to this vehicle. What you just saw was the actual real world 1-year results of the coating itself. And I'm pretty impressed because after a year, for what I paid, this coating has done pretty good. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in keeping this test going. Otherwise, I think I'll do a topper on this of some sort. But if I see a lot of comments, then I definitely will not do that, and I'll do another update in a few months. Now that I know that this coating can last, I can confidently recommend this product to you. I finally just signed up for the Avalon King affiliate program, which I could have done years ago, but I didn't want to do that until I knew that this product worked. If you want to try it for yourself, you can use the link below in the description, and I'll get the credit at no extra cost. They do have a 4th of July sale going on right now, which makes this product an incredible value, so I'd go check that out sooner rather than later. I'll also leave links in the description for other products I use, as well as some discount codes to various detailing websites. Clicking my links and buying whatever you want is by far the best way to support the channel, or you can click the thanks button below the video, but then that ends up costing you, whereas affiliate links don't cost you any extra on stuff you're going to buy anyway. If you made it this far into the video, I think you'll like the content I make, so I'll ask you to subscribe. I make car detailing review videos, how-tos, unboxings, and sometimes general automotive videos. So like, comment, and subscribe. Check out this video next that just popped up on your screen. And like always, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I'll see you on the next one.